My name is Dr. Kiwan Kim. I'm an endocrine and general surgeon here at Englewood Health. Global surgery and mission work is a big part of how I chose to go into surgery in the first place. I've been to Haiti, I've been to Africa multiple times. During my residency, I spent some time in Nigeria. So some of the things I treat for the thyroid include thyroid nodules, Graves' disease, hyperthyroidism, and thyroid cancer. For parathyroid glands, some of the things I treat include hyperparathyroidism, and for the adrenal gland, I treat pheochromocytoma, Conn syndrome, Cushing syndrome, as well as adrenal cortical cancer. A lot of times your job as a surgeon is not just to offer the surgery and push for a surgery, but you also need to know when not to operate. So I try to really explain to the patient exactly what's going on, what their options are, and also to educate them so that they understand their own disease. I think that's one of the most important things to me, that a patient is really kind of taking ownership of their own care. If you're seeing a surgeon who is really specialized in that surgery that you need and does that surgery every week or even every day, as opposed to someone who's doing this surgery a couple of times a year, it makes a lot of sense to think that you will have a better outcome and you'll achieve a greater result. We have a lot of technology now that kind of allows us to localize where to go, which allows you to make your incision very small and just kind of target exactly where you want to go. What we know about minimally invasive surgery is that, it just leads to faster recovery times. You get out of the hospital quicker. Ideally, the pain shouldn't be as much as well. It's a really special relationship that you build with patients that I think is unique to medicine and really surgery in particular. I've spent a lot of time at this hospital, even volunteering as well as a medical student. So this community is very familiar to me, and I grew up 5 minutes from the hospital. My mom was a teacher at the local high school, and I went to high school 10 minutes down the road. And so this is home. To actually practice in the area that you grew up and to be serving the community that, is not only where you're from, but where you're living is I think, it's a privilege, and it's an honor to be able to do that.